Christ.
I have to get in.
So, I've been thinking about it. I think you just need to walk it off.
Yeah, have you thought about that?
It's a little chilly.
Little chilly. Oh. Well, if the sun was out, it wouldn't be that bad, though.
Yeah. Too much sauce?
I don't know. Gotta get used to it. I always have to warm up like at least like 5 wheelies in.
I did one or two wheelies on the way here, and they were a little squirrely.
True. And then it's like, I don't want to do it right now because I feel like I need to be going faster, but there's white cars in the way, so.
That's a fat bird up there on the power line. You see that thing?
Nah.
It was a hog, but he was built like a turkey.
Damn. He's eating good out here.
Uh-huh.
So I still got that little chop.
Yeah, you gotta figure out what that's all about, because that's hurting your wheelies more than anything else, because you can't have smooth throttle if your throttle isn't smooth.
Yeah, true. I don't know. Like I said, it's a little better. I'm telling you, it has to be the throttle too. So loud.
That was a power wheelie. I guess we'll stop.
You guess. It's a red light. Baby wheelie, man.
It's all good. It's all, you just gotta practice. Well, those guys seemed happy about it, though.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, the guys on the side of the road, they were looking.
I don't know what's going up here.
Damn.
There's the guy behind you in the CVO thing.
I rolled through the stop sign and I'm like, damn, he's about to run over.
He worried me. I thought it was you at first, and then I seen him, and I was like, sheesh.
He's coming in hot.
I thought I locked up for a minute. I was like, that's loud. Isn't he leading?
I don't know. I don't know. Everybody's just kind of taking off.
We could just nudge around him.
Yeah, we could, but...
I mean, it's a pretty big gap, I'm just saying.
Alright, fine. I pulled right out in front of a car.
I know, I see that. Savage out here. I'm not doing that for the group. There, you could have waited.
Yeah, I could. I didn't see the car until I was already halfway committed. What? Whoa, whoa.
Bet.
We're gonna race, now there's a cop.
Bet. Right.
Jesus Christ.
Damn, a lot of smoke.
I'm convinced he doesn't know how to use the front brakes.
I thought that was you for a minute with the white helmet.
Oh no.
I was like, damn, I thought you were like saving that rear tire.
Looped it.
Bike's fine. Bike's fine, phone's fine, camera's fine. Is Jason fine?
Oh, we beat them! There they are.
Alright. I have to get in.
Damn it, I was gonna...
I see what you were trying to do.
There's a cop right there.
What's he gonna do?
Bother us.
Well, I mean, he has to be behind us eventually, doesn't he? He was gonna turn right.
Is he like parallel to me right now?
Yeah, he's right next to you.
And you said my plate is flipped?
No, you're good. You're good. Your plate's good right now.
Okay.
I can see. You definitely see it. I'm telling you, they have to think we're doing a memorial ride.
It probably was also suspicious because I turned around and fully looked at him.
Is he recording? You know, you're not a real rider until you get grabbed by a cop and take off.
I'd like to avoid being a real rider. So, I've been thinking about it. I think you just need to walk it off.
Yeah, have you thought about that?